How to log in Instagram without email, phone number, and password. In this video, I'm going to show you the easy way to log in Instagram without email, phone number, and the passwords. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you'll learn how to do it. Now, without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Before proceeding towards the steps, you need to make sure your app is up to date. If your Instagram app is not up to date, then there will be trouble logging in towards Instagram without email, phone number, and the password. Once you update the Instagram app from Play Store or App Store, then you can proceed towards the open button and open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once done, you need to log in or sign in to your Instagram account. Then you can simply select the profile icon at the bottom right corner and make sure that you know the username of your Instagram account. Once you have done that, you can simply exit from the Instagram and then open any browser of your choice. It may be Safari or it might be Chrome as well. So let's open it. Once you open it on the search bar, you need to type in Instagram Health Center. Let's search for it and first of all let's come out from this desktop site and then you need to tap on the first link of Instagram Help Center. Once you get access to this page on the search bar, you need to tap on it and you need to simply search for my account was hacked. Once you search for it, you need to simply tap on my account as hacked link and you need to tap on the first link that says if you think your Instagram account has been hacked. Once you open it, on the first paragraph only you will see visit this page link, tap on it. And here you need to select the reason of my account was hacked and select the next button again. And here you need to enter the username as we don't wanna log into our Instagram without the phone number or email. So let's enter the username here. And once you have done that, select the next button. And then on the next page, you'll get the option to try another way as we don't want to log in with our email, phone number, and password. So you'll be taken to this page where you can see the two options that is yes, take a selfie video to confirm my account. So if you have uploaded any kind of photos or images of your own on your Instagram profile, then by taking a selfie video, the Instagram will compare the selfie video and your photos on Instagram and easily help you to log in Instagram without email, phone number, and the password. But if you don't have any photos of yourself, you can select the next option and select the next button and then go through the on-screen prompts and log into your Instagram account. So that is how we easily log in Instagram without email, phone number, and the password. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.